This video shows you how to log in and use the LevelBlue Distributed Denial of Service, or DDoS Defense Portal, to analyze network traffic and monitor threats. Note that this video applies to you if your organization has DDoS Defense Standard Service. From Business Center, select Portals and Threat Manager. Note that if you're having trouble logging into Business Center, call 800-221-0000. Then, from the Services menu, select DDoS Defense Portal. Your monthly alert activity graph appears under Recent Mitigations. You'll see the 10 most recent mitigations in progress. Mitigations appear first in red and completed mitigations appear next in black. Next is the Explore Traffic Graph. We'll show you how to customize this graph. First, let's change the time period from today to this week. You can also choose the graph type, units of measure, and the display type. Display choices include incoming and outgoing traffic, incoming only, and outgoing only. To refresh the graph, select Update. By default, data for all DDoS managed objects appear, but you can select one or more managed objects. Just scroll down to see your managed objects. The Explore Traffic Graph updates automatically. Change the object summary totals to reflect current, average, maximum, or PCT 95 for the top 5%. Now let's look at the analytics available from the main menu. Select Traffic Analytics and choose a traffic type. We'll select Top Talker. The graph updates automatically showing high-volume traffic sources. Now let's take a look at Alerts and Mitigation. Select Alerts and choose an alert. Under Key Information, you'll see the alert details. You can also view a summary, traffic details, and notes or annotations. Select Mitigation and you'll see a list of past and ongoing mitigations. For more details, select a mitigation. The past and dropped volume graph and countermeasure specific statistics appear. Now let's take a look at Protected Zones. From the main menu, select Protected Zones and you'll see a list of your protected zones. You can add a zone, or under Actions you can update or delete the zone. Now let's take a look at the contacts list. Select Admin and you'll see a list of contacts who will receive the alert messages. You can add, edit, or delete contacts. Select Reports and you'll see a list of reports that you can generate. Just choose a report and select Generate Reports. Finally, we'll show you how to change DDoS instances if you have more than one. Just select the profile icon and choose another instance option. In this example, we can select Subsidiary 1 or Subsidiary 2. And that's it. To end your DDoS session, select Exit DDoS Defense Portal from the profile icon. If you have questions about your alerts and mitigations, call 844-288-3367. For more LevelBlue cybersecurity information, go to levelblue.com. Thanks for watching.